I'm Mark, the Power Sports Market Specialist with Summit Racing. Well, currently we've got a 2018 Can-Am X3, and we've partnered with a bunch of different companies that are going to help us out on this build. So we're going to do a lot of the bolt-on stuff that most people would do as soon as they buy the vehicle. This particular one already has a roof and windshield on it, but we're going to put bumpers on it, we're going to put the Nerf bars, new seats and harnesses, fire extinguisher, some different lights, steering wheel, and then we're also going to put in a new radio and intercom system, and then the helmet fresh air system. What we really wanted to do is we wanted to showcase to our Summit customers that have been coming in for years, and even the people that live around here that don't know that we currently do power sports product. So actually we're going to be doing the build in retail. We're going to be starting pretty soon. It's probably going to be about a 2-week process. So as the customers come in, they check out, they get the parts and stuff they need, they can come over, see where we're at in the process, just kind of see. Mainly what we want to do is we want to do a lot of the parts that customers are doing when they first get their vehicles. So that way it gives them some ideas for their vehicle when it's time to buy the parts. UTV is one of the fastest growing segments in the power sports. We do V-twin, Harley parts. We also do dirt bike and ATV stuff. So this is just kind of to show the customer walking through the door that we have product for that stuff as well. So we actually have 600 plus brands that we carry across all of the different divisions of the power sport. Like I said, the street, off-road, UTV, and we've only partnered with just a very small amount of those companies, but we just kind of wanted to show the customer what we can do, what we have in stock. We don't have, everything out on the floor, so if there's ever anything that somebody needs, just ask one of our sales reps and they can usually pull it from the back.